Welcome to 13 Market Moves YouTube channel. In this rare footage, we will show you what nobody else will ever show you, guys. We will answer the question, what happens to your options when they expire in the money? Not only are we going to answer this question that I get asked by many traders consistently on many occasions, but we will actually show you in this live trading example specifically what actually takes place. So enjoy 1K to 4.3K while everybody else was shopping this morning. Instead of spending money, we were making money. Let's roll. Hey guys, and in this video, is it possible to turn $1,000 in 3 hours into a substantially higher amount? Dude, it's Thanksgiving. What are you doing trading, bro? Have you lost your mind? The market is like going to close in 3 hours. Let me show you what can be done in 3 hours on Black Friday. Only utilizing $1,000 right here, guys. We're going to trade options. And the trade we are actually going to take is going to be related to a semiconductor sector. Fuck it, we're just gonna short Amazon. That's the easiest fucking trade in the world right now. Everybody thinks Black Friday, it's gonna go higher. We're actually gonna go ahead and short the hell out of Amazon. We're gonna buy just five puts. That's all we're gonna do. 5 puts, 1810 puts. I'm gonna go ahead and buy them at market. You know what? Let me see if I can buy 1805 puts. We're gonna buy 10 of them. 10 of them at market. Let's go. 10 Amazon puts at market. Let's go. They expired today in 3 hours. Bought them at 95 cents. All right, the trade is losing 20 bucks, 30 bucks. Oh, maybe able to buy another put. Let's go ahead and buy this. Got 55 bucks. Let's go ahead and buy this right here. 1800 Amazon put. 0.5. See if we can get this done. You think Amazon can drop 30 bucks, buddy, on like a day like today? Come on, man. You got 3 hours expecting a $30 drop. Well, technically, this 1805 puts, in order for them to produce a 500% gain, we're buying them at 95 cents. They would actually, the Amazon price would need to drop to like 1,800 bucks, guys. It's an easy trade. Okay, 13 markets moves. Guys, will get you trades like this if you know where to look for, when to strike, when to take action, guys. So, happy Thanksgiving, everybody. And we're going to follow up on this trade shortly. Hey guys, what's going on? November 29th, Black Friday, 9:47 a.m. and Amazon is dropping. What? How the hell is it dropping, Leonardo? This shit can't be real. It's Black Friday and Amazon is dropping. Damn it, we did talk at length about this trade in our 13 Market Moves video today. And officially, 10 minutes after we got into this little trade with just $1,000, we're actually doubling the money, making 936 bucks. So, we are going to go ahead, set limit order real quick. Black Friday, let's roll. So, we're going to set a limit order to sell these at 13 bucks. Basically, it's kind of aggressive. Amazon would have to drop to about $1,790 in order for this to get executed. Maybe $1,780, $1,792 to be exact. So, but we still got 3 hours to go, so we're going to stay and be patient here. Oh yeah, for those of you that want to have a good laugh, 1805 puts, which we're buying for 95 cents, they're now going for $1.50. and we're trying to get 13 bucks for them on Black Friday. Come on, let's roll. So, November 29th, 1 hour and 14 minutes to go in this trading session. And while other people are shopping today, we are trading options. While other people are spending money, we are making money. And if you'd like to learn how you can do that, guys, it's very simple. If maybe you're starting out with a small account, you want to evolve into a sophisticated trader who can lock in some substantial gains, guys, the easiest starting point is this. You don't have to have a ton of money to start trading, but you do need to take action and begin somewhere. With that said, visit Trading Options Live. Right here you will find this link, 233 trading secrets. 233 trading secrets right here, guys. It'll tell you specifically how you can get started. It'll talk about the psychology of trading. I'll literally answer over 230 questions in this course. Okay, and the live event price would run you a ton, but Black Friday deal of all times, guys, $597 bucks. It is the deal of a lifetime right here. So don't wait, okay? Go to Trading Options Live. Go to tradingoptionslive.com. Check out this all-inclusive 233 trading secrets. If you're trying to get started with a small account, will tell you a lot of little tricks, a lot of little specifics on how you can do that. Not only will it cover specific recommendations of which days to trade, it's going to answer so many freaking questions for you as far as the psychology, how to target your entries. Guys, it's got a ton of stuff. Truly, the information in this course could be worth to you $100,000, $200,000 if you actually study it and utilize it and implement it. Now, for some of you that are advanced traders, guys, 13 market moves. For some of you that are wondering, well, how did you do this trade today? How did you know about it, guys? We send out daily videos to our paid members. Check it out. Basically, 13 market moves, daily analysis. The trade that we covered on Amazon was disclosed in the 13 market moves daily video today. So if you haven't subscribed yet, we got very simple requirements for you to do that. You got to learn the 13 market moves formula course first and then subscribe to this. Guys, if you have any questions, feel free to get started with something. If you do work with a huge account, then High Roller VIP Club program is available. Now, High Roller VIP Club program is where our traders get the highest results. But we are actually currently sold out on this program, so we do have a spot coming available next month. Send your inquiries to the email, to the support email here in the website, guys. And if you want to visit some of the trading videos, guys, they're right here on the Trading TV, so check it out. Check out all the courses that we offer if you're trying to evolve into a better trader, guys. Take action. Look, New Year is around the corner. If you're trying to upgrade your lifestyle, an easy way to do it is to actually upgrade your trading skills. Now, it doesn't mean that upgrading your trading skills is easy, but we can show you a pathway that can save you a ton of time. If you are determined to become a better trader, take action. Don't waste another minute, guys. Life is too short. There's nothing impossible to him who will try, said Alexander the Great. Let's roll. November 29, 11:51. We got 1 hour and 9 minutes remaining in this trading session. We officially are in the money on the trade. As you notice, we were buying the 1805 strike right here at 95 cents earlier this morning, about 15 minutes after the market opened. Now they're worth $3.30. So technically, we can lock in a $2,500 profit right now, basically turning 1,000 into 3,500. But based on our 13 markets move formula, this sell-off is likely to continue. So we're going to stay and be patient for just a little while longer. This is how the trade looks on the chart. We're pulling the trigger right here when Amazon was actually moving higher in the morning. It was actually shooting to 1824. Then it stalled out around 1820. We're pulling the trigger right at 1822 level when Amazon was trading there. Since then, it made a pullback, made a bounce, made another pullback, made a bounce, and now we're all the way here at 1804, and that's how the history is made with 13 market moves, understanding the move before it actually happens. If you don't know what the hell 13 market moves formula is, and if you're trying to become a better trader, it is absolutely a must that you take action now so you can trade fearlessly, not only this coming December, that starts Monday, but so you can evolve into the best trader you can be in 2020 and set some personal records. Let's go. And it's November 29th, 12:55 p.m. The market will be closing in less than 5 minutes, and we're still holding this Amazon position. It's currently trading at $2.56. So we're about $2.50 in the money, which means pretty soon TD Ameritrade is probably going to pull the trigger and close this, unless I'm going to close them myself. So here's how the trade looks. Just to review this, we're buying these early in the morning at 0.95. Currently trading at 255, and what we're looking to do is not miss the opportunity to sell them at the best possible price. We still think Amazon can hit $1,800 in the next 4 minutes. What's it gonna be? We're gonna set a limit order to sell at 4.9. Leonardo, you nuts? No, I'm not. I've done this many times, and so can you. You got to learn how to trade fearlessly. Here's the order I'm placing for 10 puts at $5 right now. We got another $2, $3 move in Amazon lower, and this order will be executed. Currently, the bid is $255. The ask is $294. So far, the trade is making $1,758. We are looking for a sharp $3 move lower to get this trade executed at $5. We got 3 minutes to go. No, 2 minutes and 55 seconds. 2 minutes, 53 seconds. The clock is ticking fast. What's it gonna be? And there's the move lower, 1801.78. We need another drop, $2 drop right now in order for these options to be executed. It's 12:58 p.m. We've got 1 minute, 53 seconds remaining. 1801.67. Guys, we are fit. Look at the clock. 12:59.01. We got 58 seconds.
Do you know who makes the best traders? The answer is the hunters. You cannot sustain your trading account on hunting for fruits and vegetables. And what I mean by that, those trades where you go in and you're happy you made $100 or $200, and what happens the next day? You give all these mediocre gains back to the market again. If you're tired of doing that, guys, there is a lion in you that is ready to chase real trades with some real meat on the bone. If you're ready to advance your trading skills to the next level, click the link below so you can begin to trade fearlessly and put some serious meat in your trading account.
19 seconds. 16 seconds. 15 seconds. Will we close in the money? Because if we are, I'm going to show you exactly what happens. That is a frequently asked question. What actually happens? Boom, 1800. There's my ask at $5 right there, and we're out of time. Whoa, but we are $3 in the money, actually $5 in the money. So this is a really cool scenario because I get this question asked all the time. So what actually happens if you don't sell your options by the expiration? So today was a short day. The market closed at 1 p.m. We are officially in the money. We got this position right here of 10 contracts showing we're making a profit of $1,600. And TD Ameritrade missed it because the position was not large. So typically you see me trade like 50, 100 contracts, 200 contracts, something like that. This was a very small position. I don't put on big positions around Thanksgiving. So considering this situation right here, it's going to be very interesting to see exactly how TD Ameritrade is actually going to convert this position into a short position in Amazon going into Monday. So in the next hour or so, you will see that instead of these positions, as you can see, it shows right here, ITM in the money. Okay, you will see that these are going to be converted into shares, literally 1,000 shares of Amazon. And you're going to see some crazy freaking numbers right here. So that's going to be really cool to record that and show it to you guys. So if you've never been in this situation, you've had this question before, stay tuned. I'm going to reveal what will actually happen next. Okay, guys, at 13:47, 13:48, basically 1 p.m., 1:49 p.m., TD Ameritrade actually converts those 10 in-the-money contracts, guys, into a $1.8 million position. Look at this. They exercise 10 Amazon 100. Basically, you've seen that message. I'm going to try to put another snapshot of it. Or if you want, just pause the video. But they've exercised the option that created a $4,300 position in the account. And looks like they've actually converted the contracts. They've bought the Amazon shares and they've closed them out. Give me a credit officially for the day of taking $1,000 into $4,300 officially. So that's how the trade looks now. As you can see, this is what changed. The one option that we've had that was out of the money, the 1,800 put, it didn't do anything. But you see now these 10 puts that were in the money, they were converted, and now we have a $4,350 profit for the day on these things. And now, if you've never actually gone for these guys, if you try and understand more on how to calculate all these things, this is a rare situation. Typically, your broker, in this particular case, TD Ameritrade, they would close your positions, or at least they would call you ahead of time and say, hey, make sure you close your positions before 4 p.m. Now, typically, if you actually hold only a small position, like in this case, it was only 10 contracts, or especially if you're holding like 1 or 2 or 3 contracts, it's not going to happen. So you may run into a situation like this. But as you can see, the typical question I get is like, oh my God, I got 10 contracts of Amazon. Am I going to have to come up with $1.8 million to actually exercise this and convert this? So the answer is no. And just understand that if you're starting out with a small account, trading options is the best way to reduce your risk, contrary to the popular belief like, oh, options are risky, which is a bunch of bullshit. Okay, if you know how to calculate your trades, if you know what to look for, okay, clearly charts divergences help you identify some of these great trades and opportunities. Knowing the 13 markets move formula, I don't know how can somebody trade without it. Guys, so if you don't know the charts diverse 13 markets move formula, click the link below. Take advantage of this so you can evolve into the best trader you can be. Let's rock. I'll catch you on the next trade soon.
Trading wins and losses is just like everything else in life that is worth fighting for. You remember your marriage? Man, it was beautiful when you were getting married, but you had no idea how ugly the losses of this divorce were actually going to be. Like opening a business, thinking you'd get rich overnight. But in the midst of it, you ended up maxing all of your credit cards just to sustain that business for a few years before you even realize a tiny bit of your first profits. Like buying a house, thinking it would go up in value forever and ever, just realizing how wrong you actually were when 2008 hit. Like having kids, it was such a great idea at first. Remember how excited you were, terrified and scared at the same time. how much joy you actually had until your kids turned 2. Man, the terrible 2s. You thought that was bad until they turned 13, 14, 15. Shit. But you wouldn't change it for anything. You love your kids, no matter what your emotional losses or wins are with them, no matter what your financial losses or wins are. It really doesn't matter, does it? You don't quit on your kids, no matter how tough things actually get. For some of us, it's the same thing with trading. Just think, how long are your kids going to be your kids? The answer is forever. How long do you see yourself trading the markets? If your answer is forever, then you owe it to yourself and your kids to invest in the 13 market moves formula, so that your life journey of trading would be most rewarding and joyful, both financially and emotionally. Live to trade, trade to live. Conquer the world one trade at a time, fearlessly using the 13 market moves formula today.